Okay? It's near in October. So let's talk about what's up there for the month of October. Planets, meteors. But let's start with planets. First of all, Jupiter and Saturn are both still out there, especially in the early evenings. Look towards the south. Remember, planets don't twinkle. As a side note, Uranus and Neptune are both visible as well. Well, when I say visible, you need binoculars, if not a cheap telescope. But they're still out there. Throughout the month, Venus will show up, although early in the morning. By the way, astronomers recently announced the discovery of phosphine in the atmosphere of Venus. Now, phosphine is actually only on Earth from industrial process or the decay of organic material. So, does that mean life on Venus? No, way too early for that. But it is interesting. Finally, we got Mercury. Really kind of sheepish, if not lame, just hanging around for a half hour or so after sunset. Oh, sorry, I left out Mars. Mars is going to be dazzling. I mean, for Mars, anyway. October 13th, Mars actually reaches opposition. Opposition is when you have the sun, you have the planet, and the Earth is between them. Now, the 13th will be opposition, but the 6th, Mars will be the brightest because ellipses, okay? Now, there's a full moon on October 1st, and Mars is kind of close to it, so it'll be tough to see it at first, but give it later in the month. Opposition happens with Mars about every 2 years and 2 months, and it's brightest when the planet's in opposition. So this is the brightest you're going to see Mars for about 2 years and 2 months, December 2022. Finally, we got meteors, as in the annual Orionid's shower. Now, here's the thing about meteor showers. Technically, meteors aren't hitting the Earth. It's actually the other way around. The Earth's orbit takes the Earth through the path that's left behind from a meteor. In this particular case, oddly enough, it's Halley's Comet. And since it's the same time every year, same place in the orbit, it always looks like they're coming from the same place. In this case, the constellation Orion, hence Orionids. Now, best time to watch meteors is way after midnight, between 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. That's true. Find as dark a spot as you can, and also try to do it when there's as minimal a moon out there as possible. And be patient. Let your eyes accumulate. If you have to have a light around, make it a red light. For this one, I'd go out October 21st. So that's all I've got for October. Got any comments? Let me know.